Hello viewers, this is Jubilee Saikia and you're watching My News NE. In a significant development, BSF Constable Purnam Kumar Shaw, who has been in custody of Pakistan Rangers since April 23, has been handed over to the Indian authorities this morning at 10:30 a.m. Here we are bringing you the full details. BSF Jawan Purnam Kumar Shaw returns from Pakistan custody. Handed took place at Athari border. Jawan detained since April 23 after crossing border near Firozepur. So unknowingly crossed border while resting on duty. Mamata Banerjee assured family during crisis. PM Modi praised for safe repatriation. Yes, viewers, BFF Constable Purnam Kumar Shaw, who has been in the custody of Pakistan Rangers since April 23, has been handed back to the Indian authority this morning. The handover took place around 10:30 a.m. at the joint check post in Athari of Amritsar and was conducted peacefully following established protocols. The BFF stated in a statement. Shaw, who hails from West Bengal, is currently being debriefed by security officials. In an official statement, the BFF stated today at 8:30 hours, Constable Purnam Kumar Shaw has been taken back from Pakistan by the BSF at the Athari-Wagah border. Constable Purnam Kumar Shaw has inadvertently crossed over to Pakistani territory while on operational duty in the area of Firozepur sector on 23rd April this year around 11:50 hours and was detained by Pakistan Rangers. Following BSF Jawan's return to India, the Trinamool Congress wrote on X, "Home at last." After days of anxiety and uncertainty, BFF Jawan Purnam Kumar Shaw has finally been repatriated. Mamata Banerjee personally reached out to his wife multiple times, offering reassurance and support during this order. We wish Purnam a full recovery from the trauma he endured and hope he finds peace in the embrace of his loved ones. West Bengal BJP President Sukanta Majumdar thanked Prime Minister Narendra Modi on X. He wrote a heartfelt thank you to our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji for once again proving that under your strong and decisive leadership, no Indian is ever left behind. Today, the safe return of BSF India Jawan Shri Purnam Kumar Shaw, who was in Pakistan custody since April 23, is not just a moment of relief. It's a victory of India's resolve, diplomacy and national pride. Your relentless commitment to the nation's security and dignity has ensured justice and honor of our brave soldiers. BSF Jawan Shaw of the 182nd Battalion was detained by Pakistan Rangers on April 23 after he unknowingly crossed the international border near Firozepur of Punjab. Shaw was on duty near the border fence and in uniform carrying his service rifle when he reportedly moved towards a shaded area to rest. In the process, he unknowingly crossed into Pakistani territory where he was apprehended by the Pakistan Rangers. Following his detention, officials from both the Indian Army and Pakistan Rangers has initiated a flag meeting to resolve the matter and secure the Jawan's release. Notably, the Jawan accidentally crossed the border a day after the deadly April 22 Pahalgam terror attack, in which terrorists opened fire, killing 26 people. Yes, viewers, in a significant diplomatic development, BSF Constable Purnam Kumar Shaw, who has been in the custody of Pakistan Rangers since April 23, has been handed back to India this morning. The handover took place at around 10:30 a.m. at the joint checkpost in Atari of Amritsar, following established cross-border protocols between the two nations. So a native of West Bengal and a part of 182nd Battalion had unknowingly crossed into Pakistani territory while on operational duty near the Firozepur sector in Punjab. According to the official statement, he was in uniform and carrying his service rifle when he apparently moved toward a shaded area to rest and unknowingly crossed the international border. He was subsequently detained by Pakistani forces. The BSF confirmed that Shaw is currently undergoing debriefing by Indian security agencies. His safe return was made possible after a series of coordinated efforts, including a flag meeting between Indian and Pakistani border forces to resolve the matter. The reputation has evoked strong emotional and political response. The Trinamool Congress posted on X expressing relief and highlighting West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's personal outreach to Shaw's wife during the period of uncertainty. West Bengal BJP President Sukanta Majumdar also took to X to express gratitude to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, calling Shaw's return a victory of India's resolve, diplomacy and national pride. He praised the government's unwavering commitment to national security and the dignity of its soldiers. Shaw's unintentional crossing came just a day after the horrific Pahalgam terror attack in Jammu and Kashmir, where 26 people were killed. The timing of the incident has added urgency to diplomatic efforts for his return. As Constable Shaw reunites with his family, his safe returns stands as a testament to the strength of India's border diplomacy and the enduring support for its armed forces. That's all for now. For further updates, keep watching My News Any.